Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with power and proximity. Plug the JBL Vibe Beam for a brief charge if needed, then press and hold the power button until the LED pulses and you hear the startup tone. Make sure your phone or tablet is within roughly 10 feet and Bluetooth is enabled. This reduces pairing errors. Once done, open your device's Bluetooth settings so the speaker is visible. You're initiating the connection now, not later, so keep the device awake while we move to pairing. Now you pair the devices. In your phone's Bluetooth menu, tap Scan or Refresh. The JBL Vibe Beam should appear as a named device. Tap that name to start pairing. You'll hear a confirmation tone from the speaker when pairing succeeds. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. Most modern devices handle it automatically. Make sure both devices stay close and avoid switching apps that might interrupt Bluetooth during this handshake. Once paired, confirm audio routes to the speaker. Finish by testing audio playback and adjusting volume on both the source device and the JBL Vibe Beam. You want clean, distortion-free sound. If pairing fails, power off both devices and try again. If still stuck, reset the speaker by holding the Bluetooth and volume buttons together for about 10 seconds, then repair. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth permissions are enabled and the OS is up to date. If intermittent dropouts continue, move away from Wi-Fi routers or microwaves that can cause interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.